Welcome back, guys, to a behind the scenes look here at Pacific Fighters. I wanted to show you a quick video walk around of this really well represented 1:1 scale Bf-109. This aircraft is made out of wood with a steel structure holding the landing gear on. It's also made of like thin metal. I'm not totally sure which paint scheme this 109 represents. Somebody let me know in the comments. The mottling on the blue camouflage combo pattern was very commonly used on aircraft operating in the Mediterranean and Eastern Front. This camouflage was to help blend in with the sky and terrain. The emblem on the nose is related to JG-27 Squadron. Look at the yellow bottom cowling. This was a distinguishing feature of the Luftwaffe aircraft in multiple combat theaters. The cockpit on this was built very convincingly to the original Bf-109. Hard to believe, but there are no original parts in here. It's got the standard Luftwaffe layout with essential flight instruments, rudder pedals for yaw control, a throttle lever positioned on the left side. Typically the 109 was equipped with a Revi-16B or a Revi-12 gun sight used for aiming its machine guns and cannon. Side note, this shot is showing what is left of an original 109 fuselage. Pretty cool. And for anyone who is extra amazed by this static display, the aircraft is available for sale or trade. It can be hung from a ceiling as well as pulled apart for transportation. That is pretty much all there is to show for this walk around. If you have any questions or comments, let us know down below. If you thought this video was cool, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and we will see you next time.